Beacons versus Gumroad. Which platform is actually better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Beacons and Gumroad. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Beacons. Beacons allows users to create highly customizable profiles, offering multiple themes and designs for a personalized experience. It provides integrated tools for content management, analytics, and link tracking, making it a comprehensive solution for creators. It offers e commerce capabilities, allowing users to sell digital products or services directly through their profile. The platform is optimized for mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience for both creators and visitors. It provides a solid range of free features, making it accessible without requiring immediate upgrades to paid plans. Some advanced features are locked behind paid plans, which may not suit all budgets. The platform can feel overwhelming for beginners due to the number of tools and options available. Compared to larger competitors, Beacons has a smaller user base and fewer integrations. Now, let's come towards Gumroad. Gumroad is specifically designed for creators to sell digital products, making it a great platform for direct sales. It offers an easy to use interface, allowing creators to set up their store and start selling quickly. Provides a no monthly fee option, charging users based on transaction percentages, making it accessible for beginners. It supports selling various digital products, including courses, ebooks, music, and more, offering flexibility for creators. Offers built in analytics to help creators track their sales, audience engagement, and overall performance. It charges a higher transaction fee compared to some other platforms, which may impact overall profit margins. Lacks advanced customization options for storefronts, limiting branding for users who want a personalized design. Offers fewer integration options with external tools and services compared to more versatile platforms. Choosing between Beacons and Gumroad depends on your specific needs. Beacons is ideal for creators who want more customization options and built in tools, while Gumroad excels in simplicity and direct digital product sales. Consider your content type, need for e commerce features, and customization preferences when deciding which platform fits your needs best. That's all for the video.